Welcome to Mrs. Taylor's math class. Today I would like for you to practice with me solving a quadratic by completing the square when a is equal to 1. Now let's begin class. Here are your 4 problems. Go ahead and get started. Pause the video. For question number 1, we have r squared plus 5r minus 14 equals 0. So let me set my equation up. I like to do r squared plus 5r. And I'll say plus, and I'm going to leave a space, then minus 14, and then minus, I'm going to leave another space equal to 0. My spaces is for the value of c. To find the value of c, you take the value of b, which is 5, divided by 2, and you square it. So you get 2.5 squared, which is going to be 6.25. So here I'm going to put 6.25 and 6.25. What you have done is you kept the same equation. It's still equal to 0. You've added your c and you subtracted your c. So you still have the same virtually amount in this equation, if that makes sense. So anywho, now you're going to make a perfect square trinomial, and you're going to factor the first three terms. So this is going to be r, and then you're going to keep this sign, plus, and then the square root of 6.25 is 2.5, and you're going to square it. And then you're going to combine these last two terms. So negative 14 minus 6.25 is going to be negative 20.25, which is equal to 0. Now at this point, this is vertex form. And just to be sure you are understanding everything, this above is standard form when you're talking about quadratics. So you have gone from standard form to vertex form, which your vertex is, it would be negative 2.5 and 20.25. And then your axis of symmetry would be r is equal to negative 2.5. Okay, but let's keep going. Your goal today is to solve for the value of r. So to solve for the value of r, let's take the next portion is to add 20.25 to both sides. And you get r plus 2.5, and then square is equal to 20.25. You take the square root of both sides, and you have r plus 2.5 is equal to plus or minus 4.5. So now you want to make your two equations. So you're going to have, you have r plus 2.5 is equal to 4.5, and r plus 2.5 is equal to negative 4.5. So on this side, r will equal 2, and over here, r will equal negative 7. And you're done. Those are your two solutions to problem number 1. I want to go back and change my vertex. I just noticed that it is supposed to be negative 2.5 and negative, let's make sure we do this right. It's supposed to be negative 20.25. Okay, now I'm done. For problem number 2, s squared plus 4s minus 5 equals 0. Let's do the same thing. S plus 4s plus the value of c minus 5 minus the value of c equals 0. C is equal to the value of b over 2 squared, which is going to be 2 squared, which is 4. So the value of c is 4, so you put 4 here and 4 here. So now you take your first 3 terms, make your binomial. This is going to be s, remember take this sign, plus the square root of 4 is 2. You're going to square it, and then you combine these two, which is going to be negative 9, set equal to 0. Again, this is vertex form, so your vertex is negative 2 and negative 9. Your axis of symmetry is s equals negative 2. So now let's solve for the value of s. We're going to add 9 to both sides. We get s plus 2 squared is equal to 9. Take the square root of both sides. S plus 2 is equal to plus or minus 3. Set up your two equations. S plus 2 equals 3. And s plus 2 equals negative 3. And so s is equal to 1. And s is equal to negative 5. These are your two solutions. For question 3, k squared plus 3k minus 28 is equal to 0. Again, let's set the problem up. K squared plus 3k plus the value of c minus 28 minus the value of c is equal to 0. So we have c is equal to 3 over 2 squared, which is 1.5 squared, which is 2.25. So now we have k squared plus 3k plus 2.25 minus 28 minus 2.25 is equal to 0. Take your first 3 terms. It's going to be k plus 1.5 squared, combine these two, minus 30.25 is equal to 0. Your vertex is going to be negative 1.5 and negative 30.25, and your axis of symmetry would be k is equal to negative 1.5. To solve, you add 30.25 to both sides. And k plus 1.5, curse it squared, is equal to 30.25. Take the square root of both sides. K plus 1.5 is equal to plus or minus 5.5. Go make your two equations. K plus 1.5 is equal to 5.5. And k plus 1.5 equals negative 5.5. On this side, k would equal to 4. And here, k will equal negative 7. And those are your two solutions for question 3. For question 4, s squared minus 8s plus 12 is equal to 0. Again, go with your setup. Plus c plus 12 minus c equals 0. So we have C is equal to 8 over 2 squared, which is 4 squared, which is 16. So we have 16 here, 16 there. Take my first three terms, and I have S minus, remember this sign goes here. The square root of 16 is 4 squared is equal, no, not equal, means add these two terms together, and you get minus 4 or negative 4 equal to 0. And so your vertex is 4 and negative 4, and your axis of symmetry would be x is equal to 4. Now to solve, you add 4 to both sides, and you get s minus 4 squared is equal to 4. Take the square root of both sides. S minus 4 is equal to plus or minus 4. Nope. Whoops. Plus or minus 2, my bad. Make your two equations. S minus 4 is equal to 2. And S minus 4 is equal to negative 2. So you have S is equal to 6 and S is equal to 2. And these are your two solutions for question number 4. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Class is dismissed.